In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos on Circle.so. This is an essential feature if you're looking to enhance your community with engaging content, and it's relatively straightforward. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Circle.so account. This is your starting point, so ensure you have your credentials handy. Once you've logged in, take a look at the left sidebar. Find where it says Spaces and click on it. This is where you organize all your community's content, and you'll want to select the specific space where you're planning to add your video. Once you have your space selected, look towards the top right of your screen and click on Create Post. This will open up the post editor for you. It's your basic canvas, so to speak, where we'll be building out your new video post. With the post editor open, you'll see a plus icon. Click on this to reveal the option to upload files or videos. Click on Upload File/Video to begin the process. At this point, make sure you know where your video file is located on your device because we are ready to select and upload it. Navigate through your files, select the video you wish to upload, and click either Open or Upload depending on your device's prompts. At this point, the video will begin to upload to your Circle.so space. It's a good moment to take a breather, as the upload can vary in time depending on the file size and your internet speed. Next up, we want to make your video post visually appealing and informative. Go ahead and add a suitable post title and a brief description of your video. A meaningful title and description can significantly impact how your community engages with the content you're sharing. If you want to keep things organized, consider adding topics or tags to your post. Although this step is optional, it could be helpful for members searching for specific types of content in the future. Once you're satisfied, scroll down to find the post button and click it to publish your video. Congratulations, your content is now live for your community to view and enjoy. Lastly, if you're interested in controlling who can see your video, you can adjust the access settings. Simply navigate to Settings and then Access. Here, you can specify whether the video should be available to all members or perhaps only to those on a specific paid plan. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to click Save Changes to ensure your preferences are applied. That's it. You've successfully added a video to your Circle.so space. Thank you for tuning in and happy sharing.